Well, the only thing to do when Mouse House is going is to make a bed in the RAV, which I have. These are the tools I've used. And for people in Australia, I got all this at Bunnings, and I think everything I needed was about $85, I think. So the legs at the back here are 6.5 inches. So I put a bracket first, and then I was able to screw down, and they went right nice and flat. And so there's two like that, and then at the front here, to make it level, I put a piece of the same timber on its side and screwed it in from the top there, nice and countersunk. So there you have it. Look at this. I have a bed in raviolia. I call her raviolia. And now time to put all the tools away. But I didn't really need much. I mean, this is a really useful thing. You can use it to run your circular saw along so that you get a nice straight line. I used some of this to make little brackets for the front ones because the timber was on its side. This timber sort of on its side like that, so the other brackets were too long, these ones. But that worked out well. Put the piece of timber upside down, put the little brackets on so they're in the right place, then turn it up the right way and screw. Use good countersunk screws. This is what I use, timber screws. And some clamps when you've got it sort of long along on the bench here. One of these boxes with various drill bit sizes are good, and it also has one of these quick release things on here so you can swap from drill to bit really quickly. So there you have it. I went out this morning at 7:30, home again by 9, and now I don't know what time it is really, but lunchtime I think, coffee time for sure. So better shut this little house and go into this little house because I think I really deserve a cup of coffee. Anyway, so here we are. Back in the yurt. Coffee smells great. Where's my coffee? Oh, I got this little thing here from Temu, and I tell you what, it is really good for a drip coffee. Excellent. Anyway, thank you for your company. I shall now enjoy this cup of coffee. I think I'll go and sit outside and enjoy the rest of the day. See ya. Bye.